Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple chicken curry. Now this chicken curry is made with a twist, which is beetroot. So you're going to get the red color from beetroot. All you need to make the curry is ginger garlic paste, which I've made at home, 2 large or 3 large onion, 2 tomatoes. I've got 2 large size beetroot, which I've boiled and peeled. I'm going to use turmeric powder, chicken curry powder, and chili powder. This is all that is required to make the beetroot curry. And of course, I'm going to use groundnut oil to fry everything. So let's get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and chop my onions finely. So my onions are now chopped. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my pan and add oil. Now I'm going to just add about around 2 tablespoons of oil. And you can see the oil is already heated up. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to add my chopped onions. I'm going to allow my onions to fry until they turn slightly translucent, and then add my ginger garlic paste. Now as you can see that the onions have turned slightly translucent, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now this is the ginger garlic paste that I make at home. Like I told you before, equal parts of ginger, equal parts of garlic, and I blend it together and store it in my refrigerator for everyday usage. I'm going to let it fry until the rawness or the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste vanishes. Next I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. About 1 teaspoon of, around 2 teaspoons of chili powder. If you like it more spicy, you can add more. And of course I'm going to also add 2 teaspoons of chicken curry powder. At this stage I'm going to turn down the flame a little slow so that my curry powder can fry along with the onions. If you want, you can add a little bit of water. I have this ginger garlic paste water. I'm going to add that so that my curry powder fries nicely and the rawness from the curry powder vanishes. You need to fry the curry powder well, otherwise you're going to get the raw taste of the curry powder in your mouth while you're eating it. Fry the curry powder well and fry it until you have the oil separating from the curry powder. So in a while you will see how it looks like. Add a little bit of water so my curry powder can fry well. your flame into medium flame so that the curry does not come out of the pan. So while this is cooking, I'm going to chop up my tomatoes. Now if you see my paste, the curry paste that I'm making, can you see how the oil has left the masala? At this stage, what I'm going to do is add my tomatoes. Finely chopped tomatoes. I'm going to again allow it to fry until the oil separates again from the mixture that I've made, and then add my chicken. Now you can see how my masala or the mixture that I've made has fried so well and separated from, the oil is separated from the masala. I'm going to add half a kilo of chopped or pre-cut chicken, which is curry piece size. I'm using about half a kilo, and I just want to, it's just two of us who are going to eat this. And I'm going to let it fry for a while until the masala penetrates through the meat. Wow, it smells so good now, and I can feel that the masala has fried the chicken well. I'm going to then add 2 cups water, and I'm going to allow the curry to boil before I cover it. Like so. I'm going to be making a thick curry. If you want a thinner curry, you can add more water later. But since I'm just going to make thick curries, I'm just going to use 2 cups of water and allow the water to evaporate. So I'm going to let my curry boil now. Once it's boiled for about 10 minutes, I'm going to then add my beetroot. Until then, see you soon. So as you can see now, my curry has now become nice and thick. It has been simmering in the gas for the past 10 minutes. The water has almost evaporated and it has become nice thick sauce. If you want a thinner curry base or a thinner curry, what you can do is add more water and allow the water to boil as well. But I'm going to make a thick curry, so I'm not going to add any more water, and I'm going to let the water dry up a little bit more. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my beetroot and again use my chopper to make it into a fine piece, So now what I've done is I've chopped my beetroot and I'm going to mix it to my curry paste. Like so. You can see how the red color slowly starts showing. Just adding a little water. Okay. Look at the curry here. How wonderful and red color it is. I've kept my beetroot slightly chunky. If you want, you can, because I want beetroot, and I want the taste of beetroot to be, there in my mouth whilst I eat. But if you want it more fine, you could do that as well. If you don't like the beetroot coming in your mouth, you wanted a paste, you could just, chop it even more fine and make it a very fine, piece, or you could blend it and make it into a paste. So now, at last, the one thing that I'm going to do is only season my curry. And I'm going to season it with my chicken seasoning, the super seasoning. I like to add the seasoning powder versus salt because it gives a better flavor. Plus, you do not have to use MSG. Alright then, I'm going to nicely stir up everything now. Make sure that the sauce is nice and thick and everything blends nicely. I hope you will try my recipe and let me know how it tastes. Try it once and you will love it. So if you like my recipe, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, press the subscribe button, and like the curry. Press the like button, and make sure that you also press the bell icon so that whenever I post new curries or new recipes in my channel, you will be notified immediately. So I'm now going to turn off the gas and serve it. In the meantime, what you can do is you can go ahead and quickly go ahead and grab chicken from your fridge and try it yourself. Until next time, see you soon.